Welcome back to Divine Touch Technologies. This evening we want to explain to you the difference between the two versions of KCSE robot application. So we have two versions. We have the live account and we have demo account. And if we go to our website KCSERobot.com and you click download section, you will see that we have at the top there we have the desktop application certificate, which you can download and install the certificate, and we have explained this in another video. And then down there we have demo versions, both for Android, and the desktop version will be out soon, so keep checking. We are going to upload it. Then we have the live versions. For live versions we have the two versions for Android APK, and we have the desktop application which you can download and install. So we are going to look at the difference on the Android on the Android platform. So I'm going to open the demo version on Android, and then we look at the difference. So I'm going to open the demo. So on the demo version you will notice that there is data, so we can simulate, and this data is not real results from KNEC. These are results that we have simulated. The application allows you to simulate the results, and if you want to simulate this, we have explained this in another video. You just go to the more button and you have simulation. On the more button we have simulation of the results. Now this is now when you look at the live stream page, on the live stream page, when the results are streaming, down there we have pending index numbers. So it will be displaying a list of index numbers whose results we are yet to receive their SMSs. So you will be seeing them. At the start they will be all the students. So as the messages will be streaming, as you will be fetching them from KNEC, as we have explained in a different video, you will see the index numbers which are still pending, and you can take action if there is need for action. Now let me open the live account. Let me close this and open the live account. So you will install two applications. For now, before the results are released, you will install the demo account and you will install the live account. But if the results have been released, you don't need to install the demo account. You just install the live account and fetch results and analyze. But in case you want to test, you can install the demo account. Now the live account, you can see on the live stream page there is no results, and we cannot get any results until KNEC begins to release them, and then we fetch them by going to the more button, and then we fetch the results. So you'll notice that we don't have simulate here, because this is a live account and we don't want data to be mixed up, and we don't want it to be confused. So you know the account that you will be using on that day when the results are released or are being released will be the live account. Now the demo account, you can get the demo account from our website, and it will only be costing you 200 shillings, but we have explained this in a different video how to subscribe. Thank you so much and welcome to Divine Touch Technologies.